good work tips, fixing my plates down on a timber frame build. I've got 3 different ways that I do it. We either put rods in between the 9-inch block and leave them out, drill holes over the top of the plate, put them down, or we can fix through the place into the brickwork. Now, I don't like to blow the bricks, so even though I do fix them down in certain places to hold them down solid, I'll fix some metal straps to the brickwork with double screws and then fold it round and fix it. That's one way of holding it down. Also, when I'm putting my plates on top, I just tack them on and then we double check, move them about. But what I see is a lot of people putting them down, hitting a nail through, and it blows bricks. So just make sure you angle them so it doesn't blow them. Also, when I'm setting this out, I think of how my ply is going to go, because I like my ply to be flush with the brickwork. And then when I put my battens on, I've got a full 25mm airflow going up, and it's reasonably close to the brickwork, and it gives it a drip bar. Works out well.